Join me as I dive into the latest Btog stock trends and try to predict where it's headed next. Btog is a company that's been making waves in the market lately, and for good reason. With its innovative approach to technology and commitment to staying ahead of the curve, it's no wonder investors are keeping a close eye on its stock performance. Moving on to the challenges that Btog is currently facing in the stock market, one of the biggest hurdles is the recent fluctuations in its stock price. Just last week, we saw a sudden dip that left many investors wondering if they should hold tight or cut their losses. Another challenge that Btog is facing is the increasing competition in its industry. With new players entering the market, Btog needs to continue to innovate and stay ahead of the game in order to maintain its position as a leader. In addition to these external factors, Btog is also dealing with internal struggles, such as restructuring and layoffs, which can be a major setback for any company. However, it's worth noting that these moves can also be a sign of a company streamlining its operations and preparing for future growth. Furthermore, Btog's stock price is also being influenced by the current market sentiment, which is largely driven by fear and uncertainty. Many investors are playing it safe and holding back on investing in the stock market, which can further contribute to the fluctuations in Btog's stock price. When it comes to the factors influencing Btog's stock prices, one of the most important things to look at is its financial reports. The company's latest earnings report showed some promising signs, with revenue increasing by 10% year-over-year. However, it's not just about the numbers, industry trends also play a huge role in shaping Btog's stock trajectory. As we've seen in recent years, the tech industry is constantly evolving, and companies that fail to adapt quickly can get left behind. Another crucial factor to consider is investor sentiment, which can be a powerful driving force behind a stock's performance. Right now, investor sentiment around Btog is mixed, with some viewing the recent fluctuations as a buying opportunity, while others are more cautious. Based on my analysis of these factors, I believe that Btog's stock is due for a rebound in the near future. With the company's strong financials and innovative approach to technology, I think investors who get in now could be looking at some significant returns in the long run. Critical data that supports my conclusion includes the company's increasing revenue, as well as its strong cash reserves, which will allow it to continue investing in research and development. In conclusion, Btog's stock is definitely one to watch, and investors who do their due diligence could be rewarded with some significant gains. Whether you're a seasoned investor or just starting out, it's always important to stay informed and do your research before making any investment decisions. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to leave your thoughts in the comments below. If you want to stay up to date on the latest stock trends and analysis, be sure to check out my next video, where I'll be diving into another hot stock and sharing my expert insight.